Hi everybody! I want to share with you a project I'm working on. It consists of a chalkboard wall and a magnetic wall. And who knows, you may want to make it your own. Let me show you. Traveling is one of the things I like the most. And collecting magnets from the places I've been to has become a habit. But eventually the fridge couldn't handle the collection anymore. So, due to the amount of magnets and the space needed, what I'm doing is I'm painting this wall with magnet paint, which is a magnetic paint. Okay, so this is the result so far. I have to tell you that for the magnetic attraction to work fine, I had to apply 3 coats of paint. But look, this is one of the magnets, and voila, it was fine. Now I'm gonna paint with the chalkboard paint to frame all the magnetic area. I also applied 2 coats of the chalk paint. And what I'm gonna do now is to draw the skyline of famous landmarks of the world, just like this, around all the frame with regular chalks. Well, so this is it. I still have some work to do, but I guess I have some time. Thanks for watching.